Hello guys and welcome to Laravel 9 tutorials. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about how can we implement QR code in Laravel 9. As you can see, I have already created a notepad file right here on the desktop in which I have defined all the necessary steps so that we can make this procedure simpler and easier to understand. So yeah guys, let's start with the step number 1, which says that we need to create a fresh Laravel project, or we can use an existing project as well. So in case if you have Laravel globally installed, you can simply use this command right here. And let's say if you don't have Laravel globally installed, you need to use this specific command right here. Okay. So in my case, I have already created this project. Let me show you so that I can save some time. Right here, you can see the project name QR code 1, and let me show you on Sublime as well, QR code 1. So I have named it as QR1 because QR code 1 because I already have a project with the name QR code that is related to Hindi Urdu lecture. So yeah guys, so once you have that, let's move to step number 2, which says that we need to install the QR code package. So I'm just going to copy this command right here and paste it right here on the git bash. And then I'm going to hit enter. Now this command is going to take some time for the execution. So I'm going to pause the video to save some time. Okay guys, so it's done. Now let's move to step number 3, which says that we need to access config app.php and we need to paste the below in the provider and the alias. So I'm just going to copy the providers part. So just copy that. Let's move to Sublime and config app.php. Let's move down right here in the provider. I'm going to paste it just like that. Now let's move to Notepad again, and I'm going to copy the alias part, copy and paste it right here. Okay, just like that. Okay, it's done. Let's move to step number 4, which says that we need to create a QR code controller. So yeah, let's do that. Let's move to git bash and let's do it like this: php artisan make controller, and the controller name would be QR code controller. Okay, once it is done, yeah, now we can move to step number 5, which says that we need to create a method to return the QR code view, which we don't have now. So we are going to create that. So first let's move to QR code controller and let's create a method. So just like that, public function, and the method name would be index in this case. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. So we are just going to return a return view, and the name would be, let's say, QR code. Okay, QR code. Done. Now let's move to step number 6, which says that we need to create a view for the QR code, and I have the basic HTML right here. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, and let's paste it. Actually, we need to create a view. So let's move to resources, views, and let's create a new file, paste everything here, and let's name it QR code, just like we defined it in the method. Okay, so yeah, it's done. Now let's move to step number 7, which says that we need to create a route in order to test it. So let's move to web.php. Okay, yeah, so route get, and let's say route name would be, let's make it easier, QR, and then we can simply access our method app http controllers and our QR code controller, and the method name would be index, which we are trying to get. Okay, so let's run our project in order to test it. So php artisan serve --port 8080. Done. Let's move to Google. Let's do a refresh here first. Okay, now let's move to our view QR, and as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. Now what you can do is, now you can simply fetch your mobile, open your camera and scan this QR code, and you will be able to see a YouTube link. And if you click on that link, you will be redirected to my channel all about Laravel. How? Because I have defined it right here on my blade file. So what you can do is, for example, you want to create a QR code for any test or menu, whatever it is, you can simply define it right here, it can be dynamic as well. This is just a demo video, so yeah, you will get the idea. And let's say if there is any confusion, you can always refer to the docs, simple software. Right here you can do a lot of stuff. Right here you can see, okay, all you need to do is just dig deep and that's it. Okay, so right here it can be dynamic as well. So in this case, if you scan this QR code and tap on the link, you will be redirected to my YouTube channel. Okay, so you can increase or decrease the size, for example like this. So let's do a refresh and now you can see it's increased. Now you can do some more stuff. For example, background, I want the background color to be black, so yeah, 0 0 0, just like that. And let's see, okay, so now everything is black. Now what I need to do is color it like white, for example, so 255 255 255. So this way you can match this QR code with your website theme as well. So yeah guys, for more details you can dig deep in the documentation side, and there is a lot of stuff that you can do with this QR code. So yeah guys, that's it from this specific video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you, take care, and yes guys, be ready for the next one. Okay, take care.